So this time we decided to fly to Dubai from JFK. I usually avoid traveling from JFK due to the traffic, but wanted to experience travel by Emirates. Our flight was at 11:20 a.m. EST. Reaching 3 hours earlier at the airport is highly recommended. New York traffic can cause delays, and there is some construction work going on too. We reached airport around 8:15 a.m. EST and our flight was at Terminal 4. We had printed our boarding passes from the kiosk, but we wanted to change our seats. So we went to the boarding counters and got our seats changed. We checked in our luggage. Do not keep any chargers, power banks in the check-in bags. They need to go in cabin bags. Check the baggage limit and pack your bags accordingly. Carts are available outside the airport to put the luggage if you have more bags. Get your boarding pass and go to the security. Water bottles are not allowed, so better carry an empty water bottle or buy a new one after the security check. After security and immigration, we went to the duty-free stores. I'm just going to take that, okay? Currency exchange can be done at various places on the airport. You need to show the boarding pass to buy any items at the duty-free stores or the currency exchange. Display boards are on various places. You can check flight status easily. We also had some food before the flight, got some cool pictures. Flight was ready and was on time. Boarding started on time. It was our first time flying by Emirates, and so we were very excited. Our experience at JFK Airport was pretty good and smooth. I would be definitely considering this airport in future. We boarded our flight and were welcomed politely by Emirates crew. Wow, the seats looked so good and the flight was so neat. Now was the time to enjoy the flight. So guys, if you like my video and if you like my experience, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel.